Hey guys, I'm Ria, a student at MIT-WPU, and today we'll be exploring the MIT-WPU Design Building. Let's go. My visual communication friends are up to an interesting project. Let's go see what they're doing. Hey Bhavya,
Hi Ria.
what are you working on today?
Well, we are working on our JS assignment. It's a tessellation assignment and we have to play with 2D and 3D geometrical shapes.
Wow, that's so
So technically we have to make a 20 by 20 inch grid, make a tessellation on it, divide it into half, and like half of it should be just painted and half of it will be done with forms which are also painted and we have to stick on it.
That's quite fascinating.
Yeah. And it's complicated as well. So yeah, I've been working on it for a week now.
Totally, yes.
Reach this far already.
Alright, get on with your assignment then. One of the reasons I enjoy being a student of the School of Design is watching my friends work on their creative projects. What are you working on today?
So today I'm working on this is a structure in a place called Page in Pune. So basically I went there for a live sketch, and now I'm just putting some final touches to the
Wow,
yeah.
that looks amazing. Even the corridors of design bring such a calm environment, reminding us students to work calmly and peacefully. One of the output examples are right here, the dresses. Look at them, glowing in their own individual light with all the creativity and potential that they've got. So this was a small glimpse in the life of the design students of MIT-WPU. Catch you later.